The question of the day is, how does the melting ice cap affect hunting and fishing by Aboriginal people?
Well, in 2002, the ice was so thin that it forced hunters to travel over 300 kilometers to hunt for walruses. Also, during the spring narwhal hunt, 3 pods of killer whales showed up, killing some narwhals and scaring off others. Finally, fishermen weren't just pulling up the usual Arctic char in their nets, but were also catching Pacific salmon. These species are known to tyrannize char and are not usually found in the waters east of Alaska.
That answer was unnecessarily long, but because you seem to know a lot about this, we have a free trip to a climate change lab up north. Do you want to go?
Yeah. So is this the lab?
It sure is. Do you have any questions?
Of course I do. We've been reading about this biosphere in class lately. What is the biosphere and how will its sustainability be affected by the ice cap melt?
First of all, the biosphere is one of the Earth's 4 spheres, but since this presentation is for the biosphere only, don't expect me to explain the others, because they probably have been already.
Aw.
Alright, the biosphere is what makes up all of Earth's life, ranging from incredibly small bacteria living up to 10 kilometers over sea level, or those weird blobfish at the bottom of the ocean. Although it seems really big, the sphere is very thin. Not much can live 1,000 meters underwater unless they've been doing it for centuries. And the atmosphere oxygen is extremely shallow. It's like the peel of an apple, I say.
So is my arm part of the biosphere?
I don't know. I'm not a real doctor, I'm just a guy.
Okay.
Now I have to answer your other question. Almost all life on Earth will be affected. Polar bears, seals, and whales will have to migrate south to warmer climates or face extinction. Polar bears will lose hunting ground and will have to evolve to survive. Furthermore, seals and whales will hunt different fish than they're used to. These fish will have to travel from place to place, leaving invasive species all over, destroying peaceful ecosystems.
Like the Pacific salmon impacting the Arctic char?
Yes, well, you finally answered something.
I think those are all the questions in the textbook.
Hey, we aren't allowed to say things like that. This is professional. We can't break the fourth wall here.
Yeah, but it's about to end anyways.